As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two portable propane grills, right? The Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Bighorn Outdoors 1500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared grill.
Yep, seems like it. Both are tabletop models, but they have some pretty distinct differences.
Right off the bat, the Charbroil is smaller and lighter. It's only 20 pounds, while the Bighorn is almost 31 pounds.
Good point if you're actually carrying it around a lot. The Charbroil also has a smaller cooking area, 200 square inches, versus the Bighorn's 143.
But, the Bighorn boasts that crazy 1500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared searing capability. The Charbroil just says it uses TRU-Infrared to prevent flare-ups and cook evenly.
Big difference. The Bighorn is really targeting that high-heat steak searing market. It's built to get super hot, super fast with its 19,000 BTU burner.
And the Charbroil?
9,500 BTU. So less powerful, but maybe more fuel efficient?
Possibly. The Charbroil also mentions you can convert it to use a larger 20-pound propane tank. The Bighorn doesn't seem to have that option.
Something to consider if you're planning on grilling for extended periods. The Bighorn does come with a pizza stone, which is cool.
Yeah, that's a nice bonus. The Charbroil just has a stainless steel grilling grate. Cleaning is also a factor. The Bighorn says parts are dishwasher safe.
Nice. The Charbroil just says the grates are porcelain coated for easy cleaning. Not quite as convenient as a dishwasher.
True. Price-wise, they're pretty close right now. The Charbroil is a bit cheaper, but prices fluctuate.
I'd say if you want that intense searing power for steaks and they're okay with a slightly heavier grill, the Bighorn is the way to go. If you prioritize portability, ease of use, and a lower price point, the Charbroil is a solid choice.
So, depends on your grilling style and needs.
Exactly.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.